You remember a long time ago, I had a really, what people thought was a nice looking Dreamboard theme called the Droid Incredible 2 theme. And then Dreamboard 1.2 came out. And the sad thing is, it kind of broke the theme a little bit. And if you happen to be one of the people who purchased it, you know that when it broke, it sucked. I mean, it sucked to the point that I stopped using it. I moved on. I went to go work with this guy, Death by Bunny 6, on this HTC Sensation theme. And later, what happened to it? And then the other day, it came to me. It came to me like chicken gets delivered to a fat guy. Okay, I'm sorry, that was horrible, but if you are fat, I'm sorry. That was not supposed to offend you. Anyways, though, yeah, so, like the title implies, this is Dreamboard, Droid Incredible 2, version 2.0 for Dreamboard? Yeah, okay, that's how I want to phrase it. So, it's Droid Incredible 2, version 2.0 for Dreamboard. Yes, guys, it's right. The other day, I came across it, and while I was working on the Sensation theme with Death by Bunnies, I thought, you know what? This is the Sensation. It's like the Droid Incredible 2, but it's not that fully. So, what do? I kind of disconnected myself from everything known to man: PS3, Xbox 360, Skype, Minecraft, and later, what was I able to get done? Yeah, version 2.0. So, what I'm about to show you guys is version 2.0. This will be available from the link in the description. Make sure you go to the link in the description, in case you have problems hearing, to the Mod My iPost, and that will show you all about it, where to purchase and everything. This update will be getting pushed out soon. I want anyone who bought it, or anyone who's potentially looking to buy it, whether they want it now, or to tell me things they want fixed before they buy it, or before I release this update real quick. So, on that note, let's just get started with the little tour. Okay? So we'll just turn on iDemo, and you can see the first thing is it does have a slide away theme. Now the slide away theme may look different in the end. That is only if you purchase slide away. I only want you using that, please. I did actually purchase slide away, so that all works out. Okay, so right off the bat, you notice something is that everything looks a lot better. Yeah, the dock looks more refined. The icons they don't look as fat and obese as they used to be. God, I am on a roll with these fat jokes, and I'm sorry about that. Okay, they don't look as big as they used to, though, or whatever. You can see everything just seems to fit better, and it's not even done yet. Okay, so what's another thing? People were complaining just the other day, actually, about how the old one only had about 30 spaces, and they've got about 100 apps on their phone. And let's say they only use 50 of those spaces. The problem is, how is the average user going to know how to add spaces? Right, okay, good. You're good. You're with me on this one. You're a bright group. I knew that. Okay, so let's swipe right. Oh, but you know something? The dock actually moved right around here. That thing, the little bar, you know, the area where I'm clicking so loud. Yeah, that actually moves now too. But so we had 2 pages to start, right? Then on this page we also missed the Facebook widget. Yeah, but there's always a big button and you cannot lie. So, anyways, how do we fix this? Well, Death by Bunnies made or let's just call him Devin by his name. Okay, so Devin made a great solution. He just added multiple pages. Yeah. Let's see. See, now you're with me. Now you're with me even more. So, what does this create you? Along with something else I'm going to show you later, this creates 81 available spots. Yeah, 81 freaking available spots to personalize. Now, I'll show you how to get all this modified later. I'll explain the bugs, but let's move on to some other features. As I was swiping, you might have noticed some things. You would have noticed the calendar widget, which, if you know, if I go up to my clock up here, it is actually July 17th, and it actually says July 17th. So yeah, that's pretty accurate. Now, if I go left one, you also get a working music widget. Don't worry, that's not my music. That's just what comes in the folder. It's what Devin put into it. Normally, I can't change it due to copyright. I can't distribute it. If I can find something better, maybe I will, or maybe I'll just pull those all together, shrink down the size a lot. Overall, it's a kind of a cool thing, but whatever. It's kind of hit or miss whether you're using it or not. I'm still working on trying to improve that a little better for this and HTC Sensation. Okay, go left one more and you get unlimited scrolling. I don't want to show you too much of that, but I'll have yeah, you know what? I can show you real quick if I start scrolling through it, kind of. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, as I scroll through it, kind of like, okay. Point in case being, okay, I don't care. I know someone's gonna comment going, oh, I saw it, but whatever. It didn't have any addresses or anything. What you saw there was a friend stream. Yeah, friend stream. Referring to a stream of friends. Or, like HTC likes to call it, it is where you get your Facebook information. Twitter on the real HTC phones, but that's being worked on. Don't worry about that right now. But you put your real Facebook address in like your notifications area. It sends that to your phone, and you actually get your Facebook, like your live stream pulled to your phone. Very nice feature. And actually, in case someone's gonna comment it, yes, you might have noticed the wallpaper is actually real panoramic now. So you can see the angle at the of the wallpaper changes depending on what page you're on. Now, wallpaper. That's another topic we need to get to. We need to have this talk, guys. So wallpaper, you were stuck with this wallpaper. And you can see even the positioning is improved on this one. But you were stuck with it. You were stuck with it. And then when the new Android came, you could change wallpapers. And that pretty much just killed this one. Well, what have I done to fix this? I've I worked my magic a little bit. Just kidding. But I did something pretty innovative. Or not. But whatever. You'll see. So now instead of when you click this personalized button, instead of just popping open Dreamboard, you do get your menu now. Which the menu is actually, this is about 50% of what probably will make it into the actual copy. This is like more HTC like kind of the bar and everything, but it's being worked on. So wallpapers. Select wallpaper. Yeah. And I'm working on it, still trying to get better on it, but you do have now 7 options of different wallpapers you can select from. This last one, but that last one's not going to stay like that. That one I'm still trying to figure out what the wallpaper will look like. Anyways, you can see now you can actually tap on the screenshots like the real HTC phone, and it changes wallpapers. And now that's a good example of the panoramic wallpaper, and that is the Droid Incredible 1 wallpaper, in case you're wondering. Now one more thing is, let's say you like a little bit, I think this is more kind of classy, more business-like. You can kind of go to that, more simple. I personally like, let's see, something like this a lot, like the world wallpaper. Right there, you can see. Now going back here, let me show you editing mode. Show you the spots. You get there, 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 and right there to put your app icons, as well as right in here. We'll get to all this. We'll get to this whole app grid area in a second. Okay, so moving back, you'll see you also have animated weather, something that pulled in the original Droid Incredible to save RAM, and everything. It got added back. People said they wanted it back. I added it back. I listened to my users. It's not going to update right now because Los Angeles is sunny and there's nothing to bother. So now that you saw it, let's go back into app grid. So you can see favorites, and you saw this is programmable favorites. So let me show you how this is programmable. You just go into editing mode. Oh, wrong button. You can tap right there. Let's say I want my Skype right there. Then I go back. Okay, I got Skype right there. Now there is one catch to this editing mode before all you guys go through like hours or even half an hour going through setting up. There is a really bad bug that Devin and I are trying to fix right now, where when you respring, reboot, or change themes, for some reason the icons just don't stay where they're supposed to. We are working on this. Why this is doing this, I don't know. Do I think it will be fixed in the next version? Again, I don't know. We can't even figure out what it is right now, but it is being worked on, so that's just a little advice so you guys don't go spend like 2 hours setting it up just to be disappointed next time you guys come back to the theme. Anyways, moving back on, in case you got favorites, but one thing I want to know about favorites is it's also called frequent, I think, on the Droid Incredible 2. So if you guys would rather be called frequent or versus favorites or whatever, let me know, or whatever you want it to be called. If you want it to be called like downloads instead and have a different icon at the bottom, just let me know what you guys want. I definitely want to know what the users want, not just what I want out of it. Okay, so moving on, you can see there's a little gray overlay over the star at the bottom. So if I drag this little overlay onto the app grid, you can see I do get all my apps shown in a nice, perfectly fast scrolling app grid. And you can see you don't get that stupid little like icon mask. that you do get the normal full-size icon. Very nice thing. You don't get that stupid looking mask. Now to get out of here, you don't just tap the home button. You actually just tap where it says all apps, or like that top bar, not the status bar, but that bar, and you get back. So you can see a lot, along with a bunch of other themes that were in the old one, like the HTC Real Sense icons, and a bunch of other things. Devin, or Death by Bunny 6, and I have really been working on this. I did the Droid Incredible 2 by myself, but he did the HTC Sensation, which I've helped him with a little bit, and that really helped me, so big props to him. If you like this, go check out, again, the link in the description to Mod My iPost. I know I've just took about 11 minutes out of your day, so have a nice day, guys. Go check that out. It's only $1, and let me know what you want in the next update. Or if you just want it pushed out now the way it is, let me know. So rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.